Good morning, everybody. It's June 2nd, and I just watched a video that absolutely touched my heart, and I really wanted to spread the exposure of her video to more people in the diamond painting community. Um, she has a little less than 100 subscribers at this point, and I really want her message to get out to more people. Now, I am not one of the biggest channels in the community. You know, I'm a slow grower, but I do have a few more subscribers than she does, so I really wanted to put this out there for all of you to be able to go and see her video. I think it's very important, and I'm not going to reiterate my message to her here, because I can't remember verbatim what I said, but if it's still there, and you want to see my thoughts on it, look at her comments. I just left it a moment ago of my personal experience on this topic, but she's addressing the negative comments, the cyberbullying, and it really hit home for me, because I've experienced it myself, as have many of you, creators as well as subscribers, in attacks and such on comments that you've left. And I think it's a really important message that she has. So I'm going to link her video in the eye, as well as I'm going to put a subscribe button to her channel at the end of this, and a link to the video itself. But please take, I believe it's 23-minute video. Please take the time to watch it. I think it is so important, especially for our community. But anyway, just a short, quick one. And I hope that you do consider her ideas and thoughts, and read what I wrote to her if it hasn't been deleted. I'm assuming she hasn't deleted it, but check it out. Thank you.